Hi, hello, welcome to 11th Standard Accountancy session. Today we are going to continue with Unit 4 Ledger Accounts. In this session we are going to study what is compound journal entry. Now we are going to study what is the meaning of compound journal entry and how to post the entries. First let us see the explanation for compound journal entry. When a journal entry has more than one debit or more than one credit or both, it is called a compound entry. So, what do you understand from this? There is a journal entry. In the journal entry, there is more than one debit or more than one credit, which means what? In a particular transaction, there is additional journal entries. So, how this can happen? அப்படின்னா இப்போ ஒரே டேட்டில் நம்ம ஒரே டைப் ஆஃப் டிரான்சாக்ஷனை பண்ணியிருந்தோம் அப்படின்னா அதை வந்து நம்ம காம்பவுண்ட் ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரியாக என்ட்ரி பண்ணலாம். ஸோ ஹவு இஸ் தட் பாசிபிள்? இன் த சேம் டேட் சேம் டிரான்சாக்ஷன். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் லெட் மீ டெல் யூ. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இப்போ நமக்கு பிஸ்னஸில் நிறைய எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் இருக்குது. சேலரி கொடுக்கணும், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி சார்ஜஸ் பே பண்ணணும், கன்வீனியன்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும், ட்ராவலிங் கொடுக்கணும், ஸ்டேஷ்னரிக்கு பே பண்ணணும். இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் வந்து நமக்கு இருக்குது. இந்த எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம என்ட்ரி கொடுக்கும்போது ஜேர்னலில் என்ட்ரி பண்ணும்போது எப்படி என்ட்ரி பண்ணுவோம்? ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் டேட்டில் என்ன எக்ஸ்பென்சஸோ அதை நம்ம என்ட்ரி பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? சப்போஸ் இந்த எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம ஒரே டேட்டில் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா திஸ் இஸ் அ சேம் டைப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் இல்லையா? ஸோ இந்த சேம் டைப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் நேம் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட். ஆனால் we are going to enter it under the head expense, but the name of expense is different. Whatever it is, we have to post it on the same day under the head expense. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி வந்தால் அதை நம்ம அதே டேட்டில் ஒரே ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரியாக பாஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ அந்த ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரிக்கு பேர் தான் காம்பவுண்ட் ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரி. இப்போ இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம ஒரு மாடல் சம் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண போகிறோம். Question goes like this: journalize the following transaction and post them to ledger. ஸோ நம்ம ஜேர்னலும் எழுத போகிறோம், லெஜர் போஸ்டிங்கும் இதே சம்மில் பார்த்துட போகிறோம். On May 20, 2018, Ram paid salaries 15,000, electricity charges 8,000, wages 2,000. From this journal entry, what do you understand? Date வந்து 2018 May 20. What is the name of the person? Ram. Now what this Ram is doing? He is paying salaries 15,000, electricity charges 18,000, wages 2,000. ஸோ இது மூணுமே பேமெண்ட் தான். salary, electricity charges, wages வந்து நேம் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ டைப் ஆஃப் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் என்னது? எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ், but the heads are different. Okay, now let us see how to do this in the journal entry. Write the heading journal entry in the books of Ram. As usual, you have to draw the format, write the details, debit, credit. Okay, fine. Next, in the date column you are going to write the date, month May 20th. Now how to write the journal entry? You know very well that expenses must be debited. Okay, and when Ram is paying the expenses, what goes out from his hand? Cash goes out from his hand. So we are going to apply the golden rules here. Debit all expenses. Okay, we are going to apply the nominal rule. So first we are going to write the debit entry. Salary account debited, the amount is 15,000, write in the debit column. Electricity charges account debited, the amount is 8,000, write in the debit column. Wages account debited, the amount is 2,000, write in the debit column. Now what goes out from the hand? Cash goes out from the hand. So you have to apply the rule, credit what goes out. Now total the debit column 15,000, 8,000, 2,000, you get 25,000. Now write the entry to cash account in the credit column 25,000. Write the narration expenses paid. So this is how you want to write the journal entry. Now we are going to see how to post this in the ledger. Now how many accounts are there? Name of account, we want to open a ledger for salary, we want to open a ledger for electricity charges as wages as well as cash. So 4 ledger accounts we want to open. You know what is the rule for ledger account, isn't it? So what are all the accounts debited? Salary account, electricity charges and wages account. What is the account credited? Cash account. Now see how to do this ledger posting. First, I have bought this sample journal entry for you. Next, debit, credit. Then we have to write the first expense head name, that is salary. Okay, now you are going to draw the format for this and write the content in neither sides, date particulars, JF amount. The credit side you are going to write date particulars, JF amount. Now the heading is written. Now how to do the posting? Recollect whatever we have learnt in the previous sum. Salary account is debited, so keep the hand in the debit side and then start writing the date 2018 May 20. Okay, and now what you have to do, salary account la salary varadu, adoda opposite entry da eludano. Opposite entry enadhu credit entry. So to cash, write the amount in the amount column. That's all. Just posting da nama pandrom, balancing ella illa. Okay, so next account nama enna open pananum, electricity charges account open pandrom. So idhe nama ledger potukalam. Draw the format, write the particulars on either side, date particulars, JF amount. Credit side la date particulars, JF amount. Okay, now electricity charges is debited, so keep the hand at the debit side of the ledger account and you have to write the credit entry. First fill up the date column 2018 May 20, then particulars column to cash account. What is the amount? 8,000 rupees. Okay, fine. So now we have posted for salary account and electricity charges. Next 2 more accounts we want to open, that is wages and cash. Let us see now in the next slide. Once again I have bought the journal entry for you. Write the heading, ledger accounts, debit credit. The name of the account is wages account. Draw the format, write the particulars, date particulars, JF amount. The credit side date particulars, JF amount. Okay, fine. Now wages account is debited or credited? It's debited, so you have to keep the hand in the debit side only and then you have to write the credit entry. So write, fill up the debit column, date column now 2018 May 20th. Particulars column, you want to write the credit entry, that is to cash account. The amount is 2,000. Finish. Next, one more account you want to open, that is cash account. Draw the format and fill up the particulars on either side of the cash account. Okay. Next, now what do you have to do here? See cash account. Is it debited or credited? Cash account is credited. So now you have to keep your hands in the credit side of the ledger account and post all the debit entries from the journal. Credit side கையை வச்சிட்டு debit entries எல்லாம் one by one எழுதணும். Same date. Now fill up the date column, particulars column, by salary write the amount 15,000. By electricity charges write the amount 8,000. By wages account write the amount 2,000. That's all. So this is how you want to do the postings for the compound journal entry. Okay. Hope you understood this sum. I shall meet you in the next session. Thank you.